So good morning students, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I am going to discuss the second illustration from B.B.Dam book. Okay, become first semester. Okay, which is also applicable for BBA students. Okay, BBA first semester students. Okay, so you see hire purchase system I have started. Okay, so I did one illustration in my last class. Okay, last lecture. So today I am going to do illustration number 2. Okay, so just see from B.B.Dam book. You see, on 1st of January 2018, Mr. R.K. Deka purchased a generating set from Das and Company on hire purchase system. Okay, so what did Mr. Deka do? Mr. Deka on 1st of January 2018 purchased a generating set. Okay, generating set from Das and Company on hire purchase basis. Okay, so as per the agreement, rupees 10,000 being paid on delivery. Okay, so rupees 10,000 being paid on delivery means what? This is the amount of down payment, 10,000. Okay, and the balance in 3 installments of rupees 12,000 each, and the balance is paid in 3 equal installments, okay, of rupees 12,000 each. 12,000 each, payable annually on 31st December. Okay, so every year the installments are paid annually. Okay, that is on 31st of December. Got it? The cash price of the generating set was rupees 40,000. So what is the cash price? Cash price is rupees 40,000. Calculate the amount of interest charged each year. Okay, you have to calculate the amount of interest to be charged each year. Okay. So the machine, the asset was purchased on 1st of January 2018. Okay. From as per the agreement, rupees 10,000 being paid on delivery. So 10,000 is the amount of down payment, and the balance is paid in 3 installments of rupees 12,000 each. Okay, so the installments are paid on 31st December annually. Okay, and the cash price is given. Okay, but do you find any kind of rate of interest is mentioned over here in this question? No, there is no rate of interest given. Okay, so you have to calculate the interest, amount of interest to be charged each year in a different manner. Okay, in a different way. Okay, so in the last class, okay, I have done illustration number 1 from B.B.Dam book. Okay, so there you can see the rate of interest was clearly mentioned. So in that case, the amount of interest in each year is calculated in a different manner. Okay, the statement showing calculation of interest was different, but here, okay, the amount of interest charged each year will be calculated in a different way. Okay, you just see the solution. What is the total amount payable? It is the amount of down payment, that is 10,000, plus, okay, 3 installments of rupees 12,000 each. So 12,000 into 3, so that is 36,000, plus 10,000, it is 46,000. Okay, then you see what is the cash price of the generating asset. Cash price is 40,000. Okay, cash price is 40,000. So what is the total interest for 3 years? You see 6,000. 6,000 is the total interest for 3 years. Okay, hire purchase price, that is down payment plus, okay, amount of each installment multiplied by the number of installments, okay, minus cash price of the asset. So you get the total interest for 3 years, that is 6,000. Now this is the total interest for 3 years. Now what is asked in the question? Interest charged each year. Okay, you have to take out the amount of interest to be charged each year. So you see, since rate of interest is not given, total interest is apportioned on the basis of ratio of outstanding balances. Okay, so as Mr. Deka is paying, okay, the price of the asset, okay, whatever is left out, okay, whatever is left out in the beginning of the year, okay, on that balance a ratio is found out, okay, to calculate the amount of interest to be charged each year. So you see statement showing the apportionment of interest, okay. So you see on 1st January 2018, so 2018, okay, what is the hire purchase price, total price to be paid for the purchase of the asset? It is 46,000. Okay, so 46,000 minus 10,000, the amount of down payment was made on 1st of January 2018. Okay, so what remains? It is 36,000. Then you see on 2019, okay, the next year, 1st of January 2018, okay, sorry, what happened? The first installment was paid, okay, the first installment was paid. It is of amount 24,000, sorry, 12,000, okay, so 36,000 minus 12,000, you will get 24,000. Then in the year 2020, okay, 1st January, okay, this one, 1st January 2020, okay, the second installment was paid of rupees 12,000. So 24,000 minus 12,000, you will get 12,000. Okay, so this is how the installments are paid yearly. Okay, so next it is 12, the next year installment is 12,000 minus 12,000, that is 0. Okay, that is 0. So with 0 we cannot take out any ratio. Okay, so it is 3:2:1. If you cancel all the zeros and cancel all the numbered figures by 12, you will get 3:2:1 ratio. Okay, so the total amount of interest, that is 6,000 rupees, 6,000, okay, into 3 by 6, okay, because total if you make, okay, of the ratios, it is 6. So 3 by 6 into 6,000, it is 3,000. 2 by 6 into 6,000 is 2,000, and 1 by 6 into 6,000 it is 1,000. So total you get 6,000. Okay, so this is how the amount of interest, okay, to be charged in each year is calculated when the rate of interest is not given. Rate of interest, okay, is not given. Okay, there is no rate of interest. So at that time total, okay, hire purchase price is taken out, cash price is deducted, and total amount of interest is taken out. Okay, this interest will be apportioned on the basis of the outstanding, on the basis of ratio of outstanding balances in each year. So on 1st of January 2018, okay, 10,000 was paid, the down payment. Next year, okay, 12,000 was paid, the amount of first installment, and next year again 12,000 was paid, okay, the amount of second installment. Okay, so this is how this is how, okay, the ratio is taken out and it is divided, okay, amongst, okay, and it is divided in each year, okay, in the ratio, okay, in each year on total interest, okay, on total interest. So I hope this is clear to you, this sum is very clear to you. Okay, this is very much important also in hire purchase system. Okay, just see this sum, okay, very important, okay, and try to understand. Okay, try to understand. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for today. We will continue in the next class.